Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you like to be prepared for emergencies, I have something for you. It is this air compressor tire inflator by CJYGEGE. This was especially important to me because our son just started driving, and so I want to make sure he's prepared for any emergencies and can stay safe. And this little air compressor does give me peace of mind. If his tires would go flat or he needs air, he can easily do it wherever he's at. This thing is very easy to use, very small and portable, so he can keep it in his trunk. It's chargeable, so he can keep it charged. But if it goes dead, which I'm sure it will, you can also plug it in and inflate at the same time. It has a USB-C charger and it has the charger that goes into the cigarette lighter. And that cord is definitely long enough to go from that cigarette lighter to each tire in his car. You can easily adjust the PSI to whatever you need, and it has 4 different modes. So you have car, child's bike, adult bike, and basketball. So I know my son also is excited to have the basketball one because he loves to play basketball, and nothing's worse than having a flat ball when you get to the courts. It comes with different needles, and it comes in this really nice carrying case, so I know he's gonna keep all of his pieces, chargers, instructions, everything nice and all put together so he doesn't lose anything. The screen is easy to read with lights. It does do a really good job of testing the air pressure first, especially on basketballs. I noticed it would blow up just a little bit, and then it would go through all these numbers. So what it's doing is it blows in some air, it tests the pressure to make sure it doesn't overfill it, and then you add a little bit more air until it gets to the right PSI. So if you're like me and you need a little peace of mind in your car, this little air pump will do that just for you. But that's just my point of view.